Welcome to our channel. Into the fascinating world of ChatGPT, an AI chatbot that's changing the way we interact with technology. Like when voice assistants first came out, it was a totally different way to use our phones. This feels like the next evolution of that. We're going to break how it works, from the tech behind it, from application. And trust me, this isn't just some sci-fi concept. ChatGPT is already being used in tons of ways, from writing to coding and beyond. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about the AI, stick around, because this is one deep dive you won't want to miss. Okay, so first things first. What exactly ChatGPT? In the simplest terms, it's an AI chatbot developed by OpenAI. But here's the thing, this isn't your average chatbot spitting out canned responses. We're talking about a sophisticated language model that can actually hold a conversation that feels surprisingly human. You can ask it questions, give it commands, even have it generate different creative text formats like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, etc. It's wild, and the craziest part is that it's designed to get smarter and more capable over time as it learns from all these interactions. Think about the possibilities. Now, you might be thinking, all right, but haven't we seen chatbots before? And yeah, we have. But ChatGPT takes it to a whole other level with its advanced language processing capabilities and the sheer amount of data it's been trained on. It's like the difference between talking to a basic customer service bot and having a conversation with someone who can actually understand and respond to you in a nuanced way. It's seriously impressive. Now, you've probably heard GPT thrown around a lot, but what does it even mean? Well, GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Let's break that down. Generative refers to its ability to create new text, code, or other content. Pre-trained means it's already been fed a massive data set of text and code, so it comes preloaded with knowledge, like that friend who's read every book ever. And finally, Transformer refers to the specific type of neural network architecture it uses to process language. Basically, it's a fancy way of saying it's really good at understanding and manipulating language in a way that makes sense. This whole GPT thing is a game changer because it allows AI to go beyond just understanding language. It can actually generate it in a creative and coherent way. It's like the difference between a parrot repeating words it's heard and a human actually understanding the meaning and using those words to express themselves. So, we know ChatGPT is powerful, but how does it actually work its magic? Well, it all comes down to something called natural language processing, or NLP for short. NLP is a branch of AI that focuses on enabling computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. Think of it as teaching a computer to speak our language fluently. ChatGPT uses a large language model, or LLM, which is like its brain. This LLM has been trained on a massive data set of text and code, allowing it to learn the patterns and nuances of human language. Imagine reading every book in a library. That's kind of what ChatGPT's training was like, except it was more like reading the entire internet. This training allows ChatGPT to understand the context of your prompts, generate grammatically correct responses, and even mimic different writing styles. It's pretty mind-blowing when you think about it. Now, ChatGPT is undeniably cool, but like any tech, it has its strengths and weaknesses. Let's start with the good stuff. One of the biggest features is its ability to generate different creative text formats. Need to write a poem, song, or even code? ChatGPT can handle it. It's also incredibly efficient at tasks like summarizing large amounts of text, translating languages, and answering questions in an informative way. This can be a huge time saver for students, researchers, and anyone who works with a lot of information. However, it's important to remember that ChatGPT isn't perfect. One limitation is that it can sometimes provide inaccurate or biased information, as it's only as good as the data it was trained on. Another thing to keep in mind is that ChatGPT doesn't have real-world knowledge or common sense. It can't provide financial or medical advice, and it might struggle with questions that require understanding of complex social situations. The key is to use ChatGPT as a tool to augment your own abilities, not to replace them entirely. So how can you actually use ChatGPT to make your life easier and more productive? Well, there are countless ways, but it all starts with understanding how to communicate with it effectively. This is where prompt engineering comes in. Basically, it's all about crafting clear, specific, and well-structured prompts to get the desired output from ChatGPT. For example, instead of just asking, "Write me a poem," you could say, "Write me a rhyming poem about the beauty of nature in the style of Robert Frost." The more specific and detailed your prompt, the better the output will be. Another tip is to experiment with different prompts and see what kind of results you get. ChatGPT is surprisingly versatile, so don't be afraid to get creative and try new things. Remember, ChatGPT is a tool, and like any tool, it's all about using it the right way to enhance your own skills and abilities. With all this talk about ChatGPT's potential, it's crucial to use this technology responsibly. Here are 5 key things to remember. First, always double-check the information ChatGPT generates. Treat it as a starting point, not the gospel truth. Verify facts, especially for anything important. Second, think of ChatGPT as a tool for efficiency, not a replacement for your own creativity. It can help with tasks like summarizing articles or generating ideas, but your unique perspective is still valuable. Third, stick to using ChatGPT for things that don't require deep originality. It can help you write a social media post or draft a basic email, but for things like your novel or a groundbreaking research paper, your own brain is still the best tool. Fourth, and this is crucial, don't put any sensitive personal information into ChatGPT. No addresses, financial details, or anything you wouldn't share publicly. Finally, remember that ChatGPT is just one tool in your arsenal. Combine its capabilities with your own thinking, emotional intelligence, and problem-solving skills to get the best results. So there you have it, a deep dive into the world of ChatGPT. It's clear that this technology is a game changer, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. From revolutionizing how we interact with computers to streamlining workflows across industries, ChatGPT is already making its mark. And this is just the beginning. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative applications and possibilities to emerge. It's an exciting time to be following the world of tech, and I can't wait to see what the future holds. Thanks for watching.